Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cleveland State Community College's dashboards. Dashboards are visualization tools that help track, analyze, and display data. Think of it like a more powerful Excel graph. Cleveland State uses dashboards to help showcase and analyze important performance data, including course success, enrollment, and key performance indicators. To access these dashboards, go to CougarNet and navigate to Work Life on the side banner. Scroll down to Institution Informations, and the links to the dashboards are down below. Simply click a link to pull up the dashboard. Let's look at the Business Course Success dashboard as an example. There are 4 parts to a dashboard: the title, the graphs, the filters, and the navigation ribbon. The first part, the title, is always displayed at the top. It displays the institution and the subject that the dashboard is associated with. The second part, the graphs, show whatever data is being filtered. Note that you can hover over graphs to get more information, including the raw numbers. For example, if we go to grades by percent and hover over the light blue section, we see that this is students that have gotten an A. It displays the percent of students, 48.32%, and the raw number, in this case 8,071. At the top right of the graph, you'll see 2 small icons, one of which looks like an expanding rectangle, and the other looks like a funnel. The expanding rectangle blows up the graph for a larger view. Click Back to Reports to go back to the main reports. For most graphs, you can also right-click on them and select Show as Table to both expand them and get more numerical data. You can see the numerical data in the table at the bottom left. The funnel connects to the third part of the graph, the filters. There are 2 ways to filter data. The first is to click on a section of a graph or table. This will filter all the other graphs to highlight the intersecting data. For example, if we click A on the grades by percent, you can see that all the other graphs change as well. If we hold Ctrl and click B, we also select that section. Note that graphs are filtered to show students that have gotten either an A or a B. To deselect, simply click on the A section of the pie chart again. The second way is to use the provided filters. These are usually displayed on the left side of the dashboard and allow you to filter whatever data you are looking at. For example, if you select the filter for Fall of 2020, all the graphs change to only display Fall of 2020. When you click on the funnel of the graph, we can see what data is being displayed and what filters are being applied. In this case, the data is the grade and the subject, and the filter is the terms. If we want to change which term we are looking at, simply click another one, such as Spring of 2021. Notice that deselecting Fall of 2020 happens automatically when we select Spring of 2021. If we want to select more than one filter from the same list, hold Ctrl and click the desired filter. At the top, you can click Select All to select all of the filters, and click it again to deselect them all. The fourth and final part of the dashboard is the navigation ribbon, located at the bottom of the slide. The navigation ribbon navigates between the different slides. Simply click a desired section to navigate to it. For example, clicking Demographic Data navigates to the Demographic Data slide. You'll notice that this slide has more filters than the General Business slide. These filters help you look at more specific populations. For example, if you select the filters for Female and Black, it displays the data for students who are both female and black. If you see a filter with a scroll bar on the side, hover over that filter and use the scroll bar to navigate. If you see a filter with a drop-down, click the drop-down to display the filter's options. You can also scroll on the drop-down if there are not enough options. In general, filters only apply to the currently selected slide, so if you navigate to Subject and Courses, the displayed data is for all students. The filters in demographic data are not being applied to subjects and courses. If you really want to dig into the weeds in data, simply go to Finally Disaggregated Data. This is the Sandbox tab with the most filters, so you can look at exactly what you want to. For example, if you want to look at white, female, first-generation students in Fall of 2020, you can do so. If you're looking for information on a specific population, See if you can find the answer in one of the dashboards. And that is the basics on how to navigate the Cleveland Community College dashboards.